guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my name is Buya. So we do cooking recipes. So for today's recipe, we are going to do a simple recipe for French beans or green beans. So for ingredients for today, I'm going to use meat. I have my hoho here, 1 carrot, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, my 2 Royco cubes, my dania. I'm using 2 onions and my French beans here. So for these ones, I've washed them with some salty water to remove the dust and also insects. So thank you guys for always watching my YouTube channel, subscribing. Please continue subscribing. Run to 50k subscribers. So let's get. So I've started by putting my onions in the sufuria. I'll then add my oil. These are 2 cups. I've used these ones to measure 2 cups of these. So at this point, I'm going to add my meat. Reason being, as you have seen, I didn't boil my meat, so I'll let it to serve the oil boil. Then I'm going to add my garlic. I'll then cover. And a little bit of salt. Let's also add our Royco cube inside. Let's cover this and let it cook. My meat has softened, so I'm going to add my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my onions. Let's simmer this for the tomatoes to soften, and then we're going to add our green beans. So my tomatoes are ready and we are cooked, but not fully. Reason being, I didn't boil. I took it boil of my beans, so I'm going to add them at this stage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Road to 50k subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. Please share, comment, like below. So this is a very simple recipe. If you don't like these things, the vegetables, you can try them with meat and it will really come out so nice. So at this point, I'm going to add my carrot. But let's simmer for 5 minutes and then I'll add my carrot. I know why, I will explain. So at this point, as you can see, they are still green and this is what we want. So I'm going to add my carrots. then I'm going to add this one. So please try mixing the Royco cubes with the Royco chicken flavor. It's so nice. Please try this one. So I'm going to add this into a little bit of water, and then I'll put it inside my pot. So I'll let these to cook for 5 minutes and our meal will be ready.